Yellow Productions presents 10 really cool things inside Tokyo Haneda Airport's International Terminal. This terminal, built in 2010, is a really amazing place, and so let me show you some of the really neat things inside this terminal. Everything I'm going to show you in this video is outside security, so if you're meeting a friend or not even taking a flight, you can visit all these attractions. The first cool thing inside Haneda Airport's International Terminal is the Edo Marketplace Shopping. Many airports have a really boring shopping area or no shops at all. Not so much in Haneda Airport. Shopping is a big thing here, and they've made their shopping area look like old-time Tokyo, complete with red lanterns, woodblock signs, and flowers for the season. Up on the 5th floor is a recreation of the Nihonbashi Bridge. This is one of the oldest bridges in central Tokyo. Kind of funny to walk across this bridge in an airport. They've also got a pamphlet you can pick up that tells you interesting statistics about the recreation. It's not the same size, it's not the same material, but I guess it looks a little bit the same if you squint and turn your head sideways. Just past the bridge is a wall where you can write good wishes or messages for friends or wishes for good luck. They are these little Tokyo Haneda boarding passes. You can buy them from this vending machine right here for 500 yen. Put a message on this wall for everybody else to see too. Past the wishing wall, there is a display of model airplanes. The airplanes that all the different airlines fly. Air Asia has a cool one right here in red. There's a Boeing Flight Simulator where the little kids or big kids can try their hand at flying an airplane. Just past the airplane simulators is a whole row of really cute shops. There's the Hello Kitty shop, the Hikara character shop. There's a toy store, a place where you can race cars, and one of my favorite stores, Sirotan Town. There's Sirotan as a Japan Airlines plane, and Sirotan as a Japan Airlines pilot. You can even get a Sirotan towel combination hoodie to make yourself look like Sirotan. The 5th floor is the Planetarium Cafe, where you can go inside and there's a planetarium projected up on the ceiling. You can drink some coffee and have some pasta while looking at a neat nighttime sky. In the middle of the 5th floor is a really cool outdoor observation deck. It actually runs the length of the 5th floor. This is pretty neat, because you don't often get this perspective of being actually outside to see the planes take off and land. The day I was here, there were plenty of airplane aficionados lined up to watch the planes take off and take pictures of them. People with bigger cameras than me. Just past the observation deck is entering the cool zone. The cool zone are less trendy, kitschy souvenir shops and more designer shops. T-shirts, luggage, handbags, etc. If you want to take a picture to remember your trip to Haneda, there's also a number of these sticker picture machines. You go in and they'll add backgrounds like starry skies or things that look like the airport to your photo. And finally, a 7-Eleven convenience store in the airport. Not any 7-Eleven, it's a Japanese 7-Eleven, and so this store has everything: lunch, breakfast, dinner. I love them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click here to subscribe, or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Links are in the description below. Or you might enjoy watching one of these other videos from Japan. Click any of them to watch.